students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 7.13. The marginal cost function of producing X units of a product is given by MC is equal to 3 into e power 0.3x plus 5. If the fixed cost is rupees 6040, find the total cost function. Also, find the cost of production of 10 units. So, what is total cost? The total cost is nothing but the integration of marginal cost. So, let's perform this. So, C is going to be integral of 3 e power 0.3x plus 5 dx. So, let's integrate it term-wise. So, C is equal to, I'm taking the 3 outside, 3 into integral of e power 0.3x dx plus integral of 5 dx. So, if you perform the integration, now C is going to be equal to, now 3 into e power 0.3x, the whole thing divided by 0.3 plus 5x plus the constant, but however the constant is nothing but the fixed cost, so we are going to place that 6040. So now you can rewrite C is going to be 3 divided by 0.3, which is nothing but 10 e power 0.3x plus 5x plus 6040. This will be the total cost function. They also asked what is the cost of production of 10 units. So which means they're asking what is C of 10. So this is nothing but 10 into e power 0.3 into 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 6040. So this is nothing but 10 e power 3 plus 50 plus 6040. We don't know what is the value of 10 e power 3. So we will leave that part as such. So 10 e power 3 plus the 6040 and 50 we will add and place this as 6090. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 7th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.